Dear Dr. Arnn, just like millions of other students, I was not prepared for the grief I would feel in missing many of my last moments at college. In the grand scheme of life, my grief over graduation and a missed month of school is seemingly minuscule, but this grief bears witness to a deep love for Hillsdale College, not just as a degree-granting institution, but as the facilitator of human flourishing through real human interaction. The physical place of Hillsdale College matters for seniors, because this is where we have learned how to actually love our neighbors and to do the right thing at the right time. In the pursuit of truth, goodness, and beauty, we must not forget the gift of time. We do not know what tomorrow may bring. In the end, I understand that this is an unprecedented time in our nation's history, but even and especially in times of uncertainty and fear, our understanding of human bodies and souls must influence our actions. I argue that we cannot sacrifice what it means to be a human being right now for a future in which we are not even guaranteed life and breath. Hillsdale's commencement is a claim about the nature of the human experience. I trust the college's wisdom and discernment in making this experience as safe as possible, but I ask most fervently that the class of 2020 would be able to experience commencement as the localized, personal, and profound experience it is meant to be. Sincerely, Hadia Ritchie, class of 2020.
This is the 168th commencement ceremonies of Hillsdale College. Can't tell you how grand it is to see you here. Thank you. The subject matter of commencement is not the events of the day, but the past and the future and eternity. It's a very beautiful thing to attend Hillsdale College. Right now, in these 4 years, they have a chance to lay the foundation for their adulthood. And they've got the energy for it, and the curiosity for it, and the openness for it, and they turn it to the best account. And it's urgent and active and hard all the time, and they joy in it. This is called commencement. That's what it's about. Because now they must live the right way. And that's how they can be a blessing to the world they're going into. And they will. You see, do you not, that these seniors are going to be remembered as one of our greatest classes in our very long and distinguished history. They did something heroic. They did something great. Because you're doing this important thing, and it's coming to a culmination, and it's really the first important thing in your life that you've done on your own. And it gets crushed. So I started telling them right at the beginning, you've got to keep your chin up and work your tail off. What are we, whiners around here? They just love that, see? Why? This is valuable, and it requires intensity and effort and the overcoming of obstacles to complete it. And obstacles are always in the way, every day. These seniors responded to that beautifully. And they're here today as a symbol of the strength of the association that a good college can achieve.